today we're gonna talk about the Superstar Broadway Open Mic by 16 Bars.
Yes!
And today we have a special guest, LJ Galvez.
Yes! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications.
Watch out for LJ. It's gonna be in Spring Awakening this coming
March 29 to April 14. Okay.
Okay guys, so pero kaming nasa 16 bars.
Well, she is doing our externals and I am just sitting around. Charot. I am the Associate Artistic Executive of 16 Bars.
And we have an upcoming Broadway Open Mic.
February 16, which is called Superstar.
Superstar is a celebration of Andrew Lloyd Webber's
catalog.
Yeah.
His entire catalog of shows.
Speaking of Andrew Lloyd Webber, do you have a favorite Andrew Lloyd Webber musical?
My favorite Andrew Lloyd Webber musical. I think it's down to one of two shows. It's either Evita or Sunset Boulevard, starring old ladies.
Nice.
Let's go, old ladies. Charot, hindi naman old ladies.
Hindi naman all days.
Evita hindi naman. It's like, so what's your favorite?
What's
Andrew Lloyd
my
Webber
favorite?
show? School of Rock. Charot. Cats.
Probably Evita then.
You can tell what kind of shows we like.
Yes. But why Andrew Lloyd Webber now?
Well, I mean, we've been doing this for nearly 5 years now, and ever since I think our first year, I mean, I wasn't there for most of the first year, but like, I think ever since I joined, like, people have always been looking for an excuse to do Andrew Lloyd Webber. I mean, when people can, they do Phantom, they do Think of Me from Phantom.
So do you have a song now for Saturday?
I think it's not yet this Saturday. It's next Saturday. Today is
Saturday, so next Saturday.
Next Saturday. Well, I really wanna do As If We Never Said Goodbye, because Sunset Boulevard.
Yes.
Or
of course.
I Knew Argentina.
I'm not sure pa. Because I think someone's already singing.
A bunch of people are probably already singing whatever we want to sing.
You know what? Maybe Masquerade. Maybe.
She's gonna sing this. She's gonna sing it as a solo. She's gonna sing all of the parts by herself because that's the kind of person she is.
Yeah, and I don't think someone else would sing Masquerade. So.
Nobody's gonna sing Masquerade, not as a solo.
What happens with a Broadway Open Mic?
Well, I mean, you have to get there early enough, first of all. You have to get there early enough so you can get a song slot. Because song slots are only given out on the day of the event.
Yes.
Second of all, make sure you have sheet music. We don't print out sheet music. We don't give out sheet music. So make sure you got your own sheet music for whatever Andrew Lloyd Webber song you're singing, whether it's from Phantom or if it's from School of Rock.
We have a guide on how to take your sheet.
We do have guides for how to take your sheet music, and also, what's the name of the channel?
Kyle Branzel.
Kyle Branzel talks about all the ways that you can bring your sheet music, well, to an audition normally, but pretty applicable here.
Yes.
It's like going to an audition. Make sure you're ready, make sure your voice is ready, make sure you're there early enough so you can sign up, make sure that you have your sheet music ready, and it's easy for the pianist to flip through it. Some pianists are okay with clear books. Some would rather you don't put them in the clear book because glare from the lights.
Yes.
So, you gotta find your own way of doing things. Like personally, I like double printing on both sides of a paper and then just 3-hole punch. directly into a 3-hole binder.
Yep, just please, put it together. Please
Get it
tape
together.
And those are just basic rules.
Those are basic rules.
Yeah.
And you can read up about all of it on our page, facebook.com/.
Yes, please make sure you read everything that we post on the event page because everything is there na talaga. Everything is there. Like, really just have to read through all
of our guidelines are there. So be there early.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, in the theater, early is on time is late is unacceptable.
That's true.
So that kind of holds true here. So if you're late, you can't. We're already giving you a disclaimer right now. Don't blame us if we don't get your number.
Yes.
Because we do have a limited number of song slots. We try to get to 60 at least.
Yes, at least.
We try to push for as many people to sing as possible. But at the end of the day, we only have so much time in between 7 p.m. and midnight,
But also, if you don't get the chance to sing, you can still enjoy it just by, watching people sing. And you can
that's the
sing
great
along.
part.
You can
sing along.
Yeah.
A lot of people invite other people to
Yeah.
sing along to whatever they're singing. So
It's gonna be fun, and for sure you're gonna enjoy it. And if it's your first time, promise.
we promise we're gonna try to give
Yeah.
you the best possible
Yeah.
experience.
How nga. Hi, Lloyd, we heart you. It's a safe space.
It's gonna be a very safe space. So that's what we really try to go for.
Yeah. And if it's really just your first time to sing in front of people, don't worry.
Let it all go.
Yeah.
Dress up if you want. We encourage people to dress up. So if you've got a special Evita dress waiting for you, or if you've got a mask that you can use, go ahead.
Sing masquerade with me, Or if you have cat ears, Basta pa yun? Cats, memory.
Never know, we could be giving prizes. Wink, wink.
Yeah, and people love to dress up.
Yeah, just have fun with it. We want everyone to feel as happy and as safe as they can in the space that we provide once every 3 or 4 months.
Yes.
So, that's basically it.
Yeah.
You don't get to go to this open mic, or if you don't like Andrew Lloyd Webber, then we've got a lot more open mics coming for you this year, and they're very fun themes.
Yes.
That's what I can say.
Yeah. And you know what? Even if you don't like Andrew Lloyd, you can still go and have fun and meet new friends.
That's one of our favorite things about the open mics. People meet so many people at the open mics, and it's just a lot of fun to see it happen.
Yeah.
New friendships developing.
Yes, and eventually we'll work together. It's fun. It's a fun community. We hope to see you there. We hope to see you there. February 16. Registration starts at 6 p.m. and the event starts at 7 p.m. till 12 midnight.
Yeah.
So again, this is LJ Galvez, and watch out for him and invite them to Spring Awakening.
Please watch Ateneo Blue Repertory Spring Awakening from March 29 to April 14. What am I saying?
What's your role?
I am playing Otto. That's all I'll say. It's fun.
Yeah. So please
like our page.
Yes. Facebook.com/SIXTEENBARS
PH. Yeah.
And same username in Instagram and Twitter. So follow us on Instagram and follow us on Twitter. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and comment
share.
down below. If you have an idea of
What you want to
what
sing.
you want to sing, or what theme do you want for the next open mic, just comment down below and maybe we'll consider.
Or send a message.
Yeah, or send a message. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. I'm Lloyd Webber.